Hey everybody, it's Matthew. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Feeling the Change today. And today we're doing a really quick product review, an unboxing review actually, I guess it's a bag, of Bombas hiking socks. That's the bag they come in. I can't show you the other side because it has my name on it. So I'm going to open it up and we're going to look at the socks. All right, so we have our recently opened socks. So let's pull them out. All right. So we have Bombas hiking merino blend quarter socks, and we got purple, blue, white and red, green and gray. So let me take them out of the package. All right, now they're out of the package. You can see how they look. They all look really good. I mean, the pictures on the website are really good too. So I bought these specifically to see if they'll last a little bit longer. Okay. So let's see. So there it is. 64% merino wool. Now, previously I was buying the I think it's like 81% merino wool quarter socks, but they just wear out so quickly. I'm hoping that these are still really good at moisture wicking and thermal regulating like it says, and these last a little bit longer, because when you're paying more than $20 a pair for a pair of socks, you really want them to last. So yeah. All right, currently I'm wearing some smart wool socks, and these are not quarter socks, but it is much warmer than I thought it would be today. So I'm going to take these off, put on a pair of hiking socks, and see how they are. Okay, so these are actually tighter than I expected them to be. They're a little bit more difficult to get on your foot than the really plush quarter socks that I have. They're definitely tighter. I mean, they're not excessively tight to the point of where it's a problem, but they're definitely tighter, and they're definitely built different. Well, let's see how this fits in my boot to see. Because the other ones in my boot, they actually go up high enough to like the top of my boot, so I'm really curious. Okay, so they actually come up higher than the other quarter socks, I think. Because I think the other quarter socks are just maybe a little bit lower. I really will have to do a direct compare and add this on to the video. But I'm hoping to find out that they're nice and comfortable, so far at least. And they're not overly tight, and they're high enough for my boots like the old ones. And when I get home, which will, through the magic of video, you'll see really soon, a direct comparison of my old socks to these socks. And you'll hear about, and you'll also hear about how they were on my hike today, because that really matters for purchasing these socks or not. I'm going to find out today. All right. And that'll be right after this. Hey, it's Matthew. Just to show you, I am out and about with my backpack, with everything, out on a walking trail, and wearing the socks. It's been about an hour, and I don't really see much of a difference between these and other like summertime-ish merino wool socks I've worn. They're fine. They're basically the same. But it's only been an hour. Probably have 3 hours more to go, and I will find out how good they really are. Yeah. All right. See ya. Okay, so after a couple hours of using the Bombas socks, let's say, I don't know, 5 hours, I really don't see any difference between these that much, and the other Merino wool blend socks I've been getting from them, which is good. They're obviously not as soft. There's more synthetic material in them, but I'm not having a problem with it. I'm just not. I mean, there's a noticeable difference, but I'm not having a problem with it. So, anyway, boop, boop. Yeah, I think they're good. I would buy them. I did buy them. Okay, so just for a really direct compare, the heights are the same. They're both quarter socks. Now, these are obviously much more plush, like the 81% merino wool here. They're obviously much nicer. But I'm hoping that this, for having slightly less wool in it, will hold up longer. And again, these are a little bit tighter, but it's not anything that's like a big deal. I mean, it's very comparable for both of them. So, and the only real difference you'll notice is that these are really super plush, and these are, slightly less wool at 64%. So, yeah. That's about it. I did hike with these for 5 hours the other day, and I really didn't see that much of a difference, like heat or moisture wise, between this sock and this sock. So it was probably about 75 degrees. So I'm going to keep using these socks, and I have plenty more socks to try and keep me going for a while. And I guess we'll just real quick for the end. I guess they are structured a little different. It's a little different, just a little. Not much. So honestly, you're not going to notice any difference. Not much anyway. So yeah, I would recommend these Bombas hike socks. And yeah, that's it. Would recommend. See you later.